One more. Yes, finally. Ooh, I didn't even notice that up there. Alright, I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel Casino. I don't think I've played this one on my channel yet. Quick Hit Blitz. I've played it before here at Potawatomi. And someone just hit the bottom one because it was over $16 on it. Those are all your progressives. So I'm going to start like I normally do with $60. Sorry, my sinuses are acting up, but our goofy weather we're having. It's only a 1-cent denomination. But you want to play the max bet to get the jackpots. Sorry about the glare. So, just gonna see what happens on $60. Just play the maximum $3 a spin, and here we go. So obviously you can see it says free games on it. You need 3 of them. Oh, just need one more, and they're only, I believe, in the middle 3 reels. And 3 will give you your money back. Now that is weird. I just noticed this. Why is it saying bet is 30? Oh, this stupid thing didn't take. Now it did. I was like, why is it saying 30, not $3? Oh well. Glad I didn't hit the bonus. Come on. Oh, now I would have liked it. Look at all those 7s. Let's get something here. Just want the bloop, bloop, bloop. Want all 3 of them. $60 is going through fast. I didn't even make a 3-minute video yet. Come on. Anything, just some line hit, something. 3 spins left. That barely gave me enough to do one more spin. 3-minute video. That's not good. Let's get something. Oh, thought I was gonna get the bonus. Alright, well, we'll have to go find something else to play because I'm not putting any more money in here. Cashing out $2.77. Alright, you saw I didn't do crap on that quick hits blitz. So I put that ticket in for $2.77 and added $60 more to it to finish out the session. So we're up to $120 on this session. But the reason why I stopped here at Sahara Gold, look at that major, it's maxed out. Well, let's see if we can possibly get it. I've been doing pretty good today. Started out crappy, which you'll see on some of my videos, and then I did really good on some dragon trains. So I think I'm going to start out on nickels minimum bet and see what happens. First I want to see though if anybody left anything behind. Any surprises? Nope. Alright, do minimum bet. I don't know how much volume's on this, but we'll find out. You need 3 of the castles to go and get into free games. Camels are wild. And obviously you need 6 of those to get into the hold and spin. Come on, one more. Dang it. There's my one more. Well, we all know how it can be. It's maxed out for a reason, but you never know. Hey, a little something with the camels. Basically got my bet back. Come on. Seems real tight right now. $50 mini that would have been. Well, there I got scorpions all the way across. So we at least $5. There we go. A little bit more with scorpions again. Not bad. Come on. Oh, I saw him go down too. Little something. As long as I get my bet back, I'm happy. Queens. Two more. Oh, one short. Sure is teasing. I'm going to play it down to $30. If I don't get anything by then, I'm going to switch to denomination around. But I'm hoping I'll catch something. One more. Yes, finally. Ooh, I didn't even notice that up there. That's a $130 ball up there. I mean, 125. Sorry, I got so excited. Can't believe that. Well, you know what that means. Big numbers attract big numbers. Well, let's hope we can go and get that major to pop. Here we go. One more, save it. I don't like how they're all in the middle and nothing on the ends. Nice. All right, save it again. Can you throw one on this side now? Oh, and I saw a mini for 50 go by. Well, I'm not complaining on that one. Well, $147.50. Well, got our money back for this session. And still try to get that. Still try to get that major up there. That's maxed out. And yes, you know, casino math, we never know. We're always messing up. Let's keep going. Let's stick on this for a little bit. And then maybe switch my denomination. You know, I like to change it up after I get a bonus. Down to 170. Come on. Oh. No, one more. I'll go down to 160 on here. I'll leave it on this one because it's active on both of the bonuses right now. Yeah, petered out. I'm gonna go to 2 cent minimum bet. And it doesn't matter. You can still get a major on minimum bet. No matter what, I'm cashing out at 120. Because then I doubled my money. Oh, actually, I didn't. 120, I evened my money. Forgot I put 60 in this one plus the other one. Oh, come on. Let's get it. Dang it. Teasing me with those minis today. Oh, come on, just one time, give me the bonus on that one. See if we can get in there. One more. Dang it, dude, stop teasing me. There, finally. I knew it was coming up too many times. It had to come up here eventually. Alright, we always got to pick right or left on this one. I started my channel out because of Slot Queen. I watched her when I was out on medical leave. And she always does left for her son. And she always says her lefty, so I'm going to do it for them. And I got crap. Sorry, it doesn't matter. It's going to give you what it wants. You never know, though. That's like the lowest you can get. prefer to get the hold and spin, but you could have also got it where it had 100 or 200 wilds added. Could re-trigger too. Little something, but not much. It's only 2 cents, so just under $8 right now. Well, it's too bad on the end, but still nothing big. But at least I can say I got the bonus. A little over $10. Yeah, maybe we'll get it again. Get a redemption. Come on. Dang it. Saw him go around. Do me a favor, leave a comment down below in the chat. Have you ever hit a major on any of these lightning links before? And how much did you end up winning? Oh, come on. Big ball up there again. Dang it. Teasing me. One more. Dang. Thought we had it. Starting to tease again. Yeah. You know, I always change it up after a bonus, so that was not doing anything now. But I don't want to bet minimum. I'm going to do $1 at least. A little hit. For some reason I have a feeling nickels is going to hit, so we only have $10 left because then I'm going to cash out. Yeah, did it again to me. Do it. One more. Dang it. $50 mini in there. And last spin. Well, gave me enough to do 50 cents. Well, we gave it a try. We ended up 32 cents ahead. But we did not get that major, but at least we got a good bonus. All right, see you on the next one.